Well, it is Tuesday, and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning, representing a juvenile at a hearing. Now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon session. We'll be coming up with a blog article regarding common crimes that we see in mass gatherings, given the fact that the Philadelphia Phillies will be entering the World Series coming up this week. And the first games are in Houston, Texas, but then they're going to have 3 games in Philadelphia beginning, I believe, on Halloween. So you're going to have approximately over 40,000 people in the stadium alone. In addition, there's going to be various parties in and out of the city. People have parties in their homes, at bars, and local establishments. So a lot of people, a lot of celebrating perhaps, and a lot of drinking. And when you have all that, we typically see a lot of potential criminal offenses. And that's the point of the blog article. In that blog article, I will detail very common offenses that we see, including disorderly conduct, criminal mischief, drunk driving, and potentially assault in the form of aggravated assault of police officers. Remember, police officers are a special class of individuals. So if you're in a situation where there is some type of fight and an officer is trying to break it up, if you put your hands on the officer and the officer is injured, it quickly becomes an aggravated assault as opposed to a simple assault of just a civilian individual. So keep it in the back of your mind. In addition, crimes like disorderly conduct are typically summary offenses, meaning that they aren't that serious, but when it involves the shutdown of a major type of utility or causes some type of major shutdown with regards to a highway or perhaps some type of outage, or for instance, if you damage something that causes police to have to reroute traffic, again, this can quickly elevate to a misdemeanor charge. Finally, drunk driving. Obviously, whenever you have people celebrating drinking, there's potentially for driving. If you are driving to the stadium, just encourage you, if you are drinking, don't drive. Call an Uber, walk if you can, or just have a designated driver, as old school as that sounds. But it's just not worth it between the legal fees, the embarrassment, and potentially loss of a job. Definitely a loss of license in most situations. There are some things that the lawyer can do to avoid a license suspension, but again, why give yourself the trouble? So these are all common offenses that I'm going to detail in that blog article. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. One other offense that we see typically is criminal mischief. Again, a lot of this goes toward the gravity of the offense, and the gravity of the offense is based on the amount of damage. If it's minor damage, again, it's a summary offense. But if the damage escalates, as it escalates, the egregiousness escalates, and it becomes quickly a misdemeanor and possibly even a felony offense in some situations. So again, please enjoy the games. Please do it wisely. There's really no need to climb any structures or any of that. You could get hurt. You could hurt people, and you could also have a criminal charge in addition to that injury. So it just kind of throws salt in the wound there. Pardon the pun. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, our podcast, I'll be having some great guests coming up from various areas. Remember, our podcast features attorneys from outside of the criminal defense world, because we understand that our clients and our families, these are important issues, and we want them to understand them, because we firmly believe that an educated client has the best possible chance of receiving a great result in their case. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you all very soon.